If you caught my recent blog post, you know that my kitchen is undergoing a renovation. For this week, do you want to take a little peek behind the curtain? Let's go check it out. Here I am in the middle of the construction zone. At 2 weeks in, there's some pretty significant progress going on here. We've got new cabinets going in, lots and lots of cabinets, and I'll bring you over here because we call this our room that's going to be shiplap for days. Joanna Gaines will be very, very happy with this project. I thought I would record in this room this week because living in a construction zone has made me think a lot about how we work toward big goals in our life. Think right now about something that you are working toward, whether it's a big goal, something you're trying to change in your life, and think about it in terms of a construction project. The first week of this project, I was amazed. I left my house the first morning, and when I came back at the end of the day, my whole kitchen was gone and it was an empty space. And I thought, wow, this is incredible. This is moving so fast. And to be honest, we're working with a pretty awesome contractor and the project is moving fast. But there's also been days when I come home and I take a peek behind the curtain and I wonder, what'd they do today? Or, wow, I don't think that thing's in the right spot. I even commented to my husband last night that maybe it would just be better if I didn't look at this project until it was finished. How true is that for you in your life? How often are you working on a project and all you can think about is that finish line and it's making it really hard to get through the middle of the project? That's what I'm keeping in mind during this entire construction project. I can't not peek behind the curtain every day. I need to understand the progress. I need to understand the hiccups or the roadblocks that are coming as we work on this big project. I can't ignore those things. I have to stick with it. How often do you throw in the towel at that first hiccup and you throw away that long-term vision for that goal you had for yourself? What if you could think about it like this construction project? I'm excited to move back into my house fully in a month, and I know it's going to take a day-by-day journey to get there. What can you do day by day to get you to your long-term goal? Think about that this week, and I'll be back here with you next week. Okay, those of you HGTV geeks, I don't want to leave you hanging, so I'm going to flip the screen and show you what the progress looks like this week.